welcome to my YouTube. This is Jen. Today we have another mystery box being released. If you're seeing this and it is just now being released, quick run, don't walk. They are available right now, but they sell out fast. This is the party something. I will put the name right here, but this is the party box. Oops, hopefully nothing breakable. So definitely check it out. It is a subscriber exclusive, which means it has a Cricut Cutie inside. But don't fret if you're not a subscriber, access subscriber. You can join now and still get the box. Click the link below and you'll be able to sign up and then purchase it, and then you can always cancel it after the month. So definitely worth it. Well, check out the box and then see if it's definitely worth it. But let's do this quick so you can see what's inside before you run and purchase it. So this one's pretty packed, so I like to see that, and it is very pretty colors. Put this aside and take a look at it after. First we have some hot glue gun mini glue sticks. This looks like it works in obviously the Cricut glue gun, but also will work in other dual temperature glue guns. So that, there's a Cricut Joy foil transfer insert cards. I love using these cards. Then we have the permanent mat in neon watermelon. Oh, it is a very pretty pink, which might be why this is, I believe, a pink disco party box, and it is 12 by 28. And then we have some party foil, no, iron-on foil. Very pretty color. It's that gold. I can never find the colors right away for you guys. Sorry about that. Colors may vary. Lemongrass. So it does look like gold, but it does look like a grade gold. So it's very pretty. I do like that. Then we have some of my favorite infusible ink. It is in, it says patterns. There's a couple colors in there. So it looks like there's two different ones, two sheets, 12 by 12. This one's a black and this one's like a multicolored gorgeousness. Oh, and then we have, get rid of this box. Then we have some Cricut felts. Ooh, do some felt projects. I never find my scissors or my knife after I use them. It's like they disappear. So different color felts. Ooh, pretty colors too. So definitely check out some of the Cricut felt projects. These dinosaurs. Felt's also fun. You can spritz your glass door with it. And make little felt squares and stick them on the door if you have a toddler. That'll be a fun project with my niece. Then we have Cricut Premium, a whole packet of Cricut Premium Vinyl Removable. You don't see this very often in the mystery boxes. They're usually the rolls. But we have a packet of 20, 12 by 12, and all of these gorgeous colors. And this is the removable. And there I go again. Trying to get rid of this sticker. It's now got felt on it. Oh my goodness. Anyways, you get it. All of these gorgeous colors. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pretty. Foil poster board in a FAIRYTALE sampler. You can make some fun party boxes. There are 10 sheets, 12 by 12 each, and these 12 by 12 in these colors. No scissors required, so maybe I can actually open this one. gorgeous colors. 2 of each. Silver. I love the pinks. Love, love, love the pinks and purples and turquoises. And that is gorgeous. And then I know what you're here for. You want to see what the cutie looks like. So, without further ado, her color is Candy Apple. Ooh. So, let's see what the Candy Apple cutie looks like. Ta-da! Which is a super bright red, gorgeous, cute little thing. So there you have it. Let me know in the comment box below what you think of this box. And of course, if you want it, quick run, don't walk, go get it for yourself. The link is in the box below. Thanks for watching.